Using filters. The online catalog offers powerful filtering capabilities that allow the user to see how SDGs, use cases, workflows, building blocks, and products are connected. The filter dropdown can be opened directly underneath the top navigation. You can click on the Filter By label or arrow to expand the filter section. For any of the parameters that appear as a tab, there will be a unique set of filters you can access. Some of the filters are aligned with the SDG Digital Investment Framework, and others are oriented around sectors, countries, organizations, or tags. When filters are selected by the user, any items that do not meet the criteria will not be shown. The top navigation bar will show the number of items that match the selected criteria. At the bottom of the filter section, the user will also see a list of all the filters that have been set. You can also easily remove any filters you don't need. All of the tabs have a unique set of filters to make it easy for you to find what you're looking for.